In this video, we're going to create a dynamic website, and actually a very simple one, but in this activity, we're going to practice using some PHP code in our website. Okay, so we're going to create another Boss website, this time including some PHP code blocks. So in the previous video, you learned the basics about PHP. Our course doesn't cover PHP in a lot of depth, but we will be learning about WordPress, CMS, which uses PHP. So it's good to have some kind of basic understanding about how PHP works. Okay, so hopefully this activity will get you warmed up to PHP. All right, so let's get started by going to site, new site again, okay? And we're gonna call this Boss temp, okay? And I'm gonna go to local site folder, and I've created one, oh sorry, not, so cancel that. I actually meant Boss, not Boss temp, so Boss PHP, okay? Right, so the site name is Boss PHP, and let's go to the local site folder. It's Boss PHP. So if you won't have this folder created yet, so if you could please create this folder by going to new folder and typing in Boss PHP in there. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that here. There we go. All right, so now we have Boss PHP. Select that folder. Okay, just double check. Here we go, Boss PHP. Okay, good. Now we go to servers and we establish a connection with Yin server. And of course, we go to your course documents and you type in that, there we go. So you copy and paste that in, username and password to connect. Go. And password. Go. And you test it. Go OK. And of course you want to go here. Oh, don't forget to also go back here to root directory. Copy and paste that in here. Test that. Okay, so make sure it's in public HTML info 2106. Let's save it. And we're going to go here and expand the view. We're going to connect yet again. Okay, and of course in my Yin folder, I'm going to create, okay, right click, new folder, and create Boss PHP. Okay. And of course, now I want to go into the Boss PHP to connect, right? So I'm going to go to Site, Manage Sites, okay, Boss PHP. I'm going to double click on that, okay, and then I'm going to go to Servers, okay, and Edit. And I actually want in my root directory to go to Yin, my folder, / Boss PHP. Okay, and then I'm gonna test that connection there. All right, beautiful. Okay, now all done. Okay, and save everything, and you're done. All right, so the next thing I like you to do is go in here, and you're going to create a new folder called CSS. Okay, a new folder called _includes. Oops, which should not be inside of the, sorry about that, so I'm gonna delete that, edit, delete, okay. All right, so I'm gonna click on here to create a new folder called includes. Okay, so it's called _includes. Okay, same level as CSS, so in your site, in your Boss PHP folder, you have CSS _includes, and of course you have your images folder too, right? So images, and then you can move your images into there from previous classes at a later time. But now you're all set up. So in the next video, we're going to create our first PHP page, okay? And it'll be in the main folder here. And inside of the includes, I'm going to put some PHP files in there. So inside of there, I'm going to have a PHP file that is just the header, and then I'll have another PHP file that includes that is just the navigation, and then in there I'll have another PHP file that is just the footer. Okay, and then I'm going to put these PHP code blocks into my index page. All right, so it sounds like a lot right now, but don't worry, I'll take you through each step very slowly in the following videos.